Good morning students. How are you? Fine. Okay. अच्छा मौसम कैसा है बच्चों? How is the weather today? Sunshine? Humid? Raining? What? Humid. Humid. But humid. Yeah, sunshine. Sunshine, humid. So now is sunshine humid, but it will become rainy at night. So मौसम वेदर फ्लक्चुएट करता है. मौसम और वेदर फ्लक्चुएट करता है. दिन में एक होता है, रात में एक होता है. So the short term atmospheric phenomena is known as weather. It may be fluctuate day to day, time to time. So today my topic is weathering. Now, at the time of news forecastings, the reporter present different types of elements of weather. उन्होंने बताते हैं ना कि नोएडा का टेम्परेचर 32 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, कोलकाता का टेम्परेचर 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, बिहार का टेम्परेचर 28 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, मैक्सिमम रेनफॉल, मिनिमम रेनफॉल, ह्यूमिडिटी. These are such elements of weather. So the elements of weather, today I discuss about the impact of different elements of weather on the earth's surface. Now this impact of different elements of weather and it transform the different landform on the earth's surface, this process is known as weathering. Due to the different factors which influence on the rock result, it mechanically disintegration. So weathering may be defined the disintegration and decomposition of rocks, mechanical disintegration and chemical decomposition of rocks. Chemical decomposition means mineralogical changes of the rock. Mechanical disintegration is similarly refers to the disintegration of rock. Now, after disintegration and decomposition, the rocks do not move from their origin to another place. It locates in its origin. It refers to in situ. So, the disintegration of rocks, and disintegration of rocks is known as regolith. It cannot transfer to another, so it is known as in situ. So weathering is considered, it is a process. Now, I am discussing about the different types of weathering. Generally, weathering are two types, mechanical weathering and chemical weathering. In daytime, due to excessive heat and sunshine, the rocks expanded and the outer part of the rocks expanded, and at night, due to cold, the rocks generally compressed. To alternatively disintegration, extension and alternative compression, the rocks are gradually stressed and results the rocks are disintegrated into small particles. So this is known as mechanical weathering. These processes are generally occurs mechanically. The mineralogical composition and not changed. So it is known as mechanical weathering. The changes of the mineralogical composition of the rocks. Mechanical weathering, chemical weathering is generally occurs in humid region where water plays a great role. So the minerals of the rocks changes and its chemical composition is changes. Suppose it is a rock, this is the mineral, and after decomposition it becomes loosened and decomposed. So it is known as chemical weathering. Thank you student. तुमने सब कुछ जो जो हमने बताया किसी प्रॉब्लम अगर होगी तो तुम मुझे दूसरी क्लास में, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमको इन्फॉर्म करोगे. आई विल ट्राई टू गिव माय बेस्ट.